Okay, recording the noise my transmission's making. It's in third gear, 3,500 RPM. It just gets louder the higher the speed. That's in fourth. Fifth. Letting off the accelerator and the noise kind of stops. But now I'm going to put it in neutral and slow down. Okay, now it's in neutral. And you can kind of hear it when it's in neutral and I'm braking, but not as much. And I'm having a hard time shifting too. It grinds in reverse, it's hard to shift in a gear. I tried to bleed it by myself, but it was a little bit difficult. I think the slave master or slave cylinder might be bad. Okay, turning around. Okay, second gear. Third gear. And the speedo gauge, the needle is just bouncing, if it even works at all. Something wrong with the gauges for sure. Fourth gear, 3,500 RPM. And then it is really lacking in power in fourth and fifth gear. I mean, the motor seems to run fine. But it's the transmission and the shifting that's got some problems. See, it's accelerating in fourth. Let off the gas, the noise goes away. Accelerate, still in gear. Let off gas, no noise. Press on gas, noise. Neutral, braking. You kind of hear it. I don't know.